Imagine this. You walk into your living room after a long day. The lights are soft, your couch is calling your name, and the TV screen is waiting, almost like it knows you're ready to escape. But the moment you grab that remote, reality hits. The lag, the ads, the wrong input, the smart speaker that randomly pretends it didn't hear you again. Now imagine wiping all of that frustration out of your life in one move. Imagine if your TV and your smart speaker finally felt like they were designed together, not like two gadgets forced into a relationship. Because that's exactly what Apple is trying to create with the next Apple TV upgrade and the upcoming HomePod Mini 2. Tonight, we're diving deep, not just into what's rumored, not just what's new, but whether you should actually upgrade. And if you stay until the end, I'll hand you a simple 20-second checklist that instantly tells you if it's worth your money or not. So sit back, relax, and let's make your living room smarter than ever. Let's start with a truth every Apple user already knows. When Apple decides to make two devices work together, they don't just connect. They transform the experience. Think about the Apple TV for a second. It's always been the smoothest streamer you can buy. No stutter, no ads shoved in your face, no random home screen chaos. Just clean menus and instant response. The current Apple TV 4K already delivers beautiful HDR, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, everything you expect from a premium box. So why is the next upgrade such a big deal? Because Apple isn't just trying to upgrade a streaming box. They're trying to upgrade your living room. The whispers and leaks all point in one direction: more power under the hood. And sure, power sounds boring until you realize something. More power means Apple starts treating the Apple TV less like a TV accessory and more like a mini console. Imagine this. You turn on your TV, pick up a controller, and launch a game from Apple Arcade. No downloads that take forever. No system updates that break your mood. No loud fans trying to take off like a jet engine. Just smooth gaming, beautiful visuals, and instant fun. That's why people are watching this upgrade so closely. Because this model might finally be the bridge between casual gamers and console-level polish, without a $70 game price tag. But power is only half the story. The next piece of the puzzle? Control. Apple is expected to make controlling the Apple TV even smoother. And if you've ever lost that tiny Apple TV remote between couch cushions, this one's for you. Precision finding, better shortcuts, smarter interactions with your iPhone. Imagine asking your iPhone, "Where's my remote?" And it literally leads you to it. Or imagine your Apple TV automatically knowing when your phone is near and offering instant controls. This is the level of living room awareness Apple is building toward, where devices know who you are, where you are, and what you want without you lifting a finger. And since we're talking about lifting fingers, let's talk price. Because in the US market, price is the real battleground. For years, the Apple TV has been the premium choice. Amazing, yes, but hard to justify when a $40 streaming stick exists, even if that $40 stick freezes every time you switch apps. But the buzz is getting louder. Apple might drop the price. Maybe a new sub-$100 model. Maybe a surprise Home Hub edition. Maybe bundles with Apple services. If that happens, the Apple TV could stop being the luxury option and become the default choice. Now imagine this scene. You walk in, sit down, and say, "Play a great thriller in 4K I haven't seen yet. No confusión. No ads. No pushing you towards some streaming service you don't even subscribe to. Just results that respect your preferences." And this is where the HomePod Mini 2 enters the story. Because a smart living room needs two things: a brain and a voice. The Apple TV is the brain. The HomePod Mini 2 will be the voice. The current HomePod Mini already punches above its weight. It sounds bigger than it looks. It works as a hub for smart home devices. It has temperature and humidity sensors. And when Siri behaves, it feels magical. But let's be honest, Siri sometimes makes you repeat yourself like it's a stubborn child. The next HomePod Mini is expected to fix that by focusing on the things that matter most. Better microphones, better voice recognition, better sound, better smart home control, and far better understanding of your routines. Picture this. You say movie night. Your lights dim. Your Apple TV launches your movie. Your HomePod mini shift into a stereo pair, automatically tuned for your room. Your sound expands, dialogue becomes crystal clear, and the whole room just transforms. This is the dream Apple is building. A living room where devices don't just connect, they collaborate. And here's something Apple doesn't advertise, but you'll feel every single day. Privacy. No home screen ads. No tracking your viewing habits to sell them. No creepy microphones logging data for advertising giants. Just tech that serves you, not the companies behind it. Now, let's address something a lot of people worry about. Cameras in the living room. Some people say absolutely not. Others love the idea for calls. Apple already solved this with a simple, elegant idea. Your iPhone becomes the camera. Nothing installed in your living room. Nothing watching you. No lens staring at you at night. But the moment you want a FaceTime call on your TV, boom, your iPhone becomes the camera wirelessly. You walk away, it turns off. That's the kind of design philosophy people buy Apple for. So the million-dollar question, should you upgrade? Let's break it down simply, because forget tech specs, you care about what it feels like. If you own an iPhone and use Apple devices daily, upgrading your Apple TV will feel like unlocking a new layer of convenience. Everything becomes faster, smoother, more connected. If your current streaming device is slow, laggy, or stuffed with ads, this upgrade will feel like a breath of fresh air. If you casually game or have kids, the new Apple TV could quietly become the center of fun in your home. If you care about sound but don't want a giant soundbar, 2 HomePod minis on each side of your TV will shock you with how good they sound. If you're building a smart home with Matter and Thread, the HomePod Mini 2 will be one of the most reliable hubs you can own. But who shouldn't upgrade? If you already own the latest Apple TV 4K and it's working perfectly, you don't need the next version unless gaming or new features matter to you. If you own a high-end soundbar or a home theater system you love, a pair of HomePod Minis won't replace it. And if you don't use Apple devices at all, you'll still get a premium streamer. But the magic of the ecosystem won't hit you as hard. Now let's make this decision easy. Here's your 20-second checklist. If you say yes to 3 or more, upgrading is absolutely worth it. Do you hate ads on your TV's home screen? Do you want faster, smoother streaming with zero lag? Do you own an iPhone? Do you want better gaming without buying a console? Do you want better sound without a bulky soundbar? Do you want a more reliable, smart home? Do you want voice control that actually works and respects privacy? 3 yes. Upgrade. You'll love it. Mostly no. Your setup might already be perfect. Now let's talk about timing, because being smart with your money matters. If a new Apple TV drops, early buyers get the features first, but patient buyers get the deals. Black Friday. Holiday bundles. Certified refurbished units direct from Apple that look and feel brand new for less. HomePod minis? Watch for 2-pack deals. Stereo pairs are where they shine. So here's the bottom line. The Apple TV upgrade and HomePod Mini 2 aren't about flashy numbers on a spec sheet. They're about making your evenings calmer, your movie nights smoother, your smart home smarter, your living room finally cohesive. If you want a living room that just works, no lag, no ads, no chaos, this upgrade might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Before you go, take one last look at your current setup tonight. If your home screen is filled with ads, if your remote gets lost, if your assistant makes you repeat yourself, or if your streamer freezes at the worst possible moment, Apple built this upgrade for people exactly like you. But if your living room is already simple, fast, and effortless, hey, that's a win too. If you want a follow-up video breaking down the best picture and sound settings the moment the new Apple TV drops, comment the word settings. If you're ready to upgrade, type upgrade. If you're waiting, type wait. Your living room can be calm, fast, and smart, and you're closer than you think.